I want to show you a quick application using self-drilling screws with the driver from New Revolution Tools. So these screws, they drill their own hole and they'll cut their own threads. And it's a really quick way to make a high quality, strong joint in the field without requiring a lot of fabrication. Now you can buy these brackets at about any hardware store, and I'm just going to fasten together 2 tubes as a demonstration. So this is a 8 gauge tube. It's almost 3/16 wall, and then I've got a 14 gauge tube. I'll put that, connect that to. So pretty simple. I'm just going to locate that. And one thing that's nice about this driver, I don't have to hold that screw to steady it on the bit. So I can place my piece here to get that started. Go ahead and square that up a little bit there, and then sink another screw. Okay, and again, since I don't have to steady it, I can be positioning something with my other hand while I'm drilling into this. And I'd go ahead and put a bracket on the back side as well. I want to show you this a little bit closer up. So here you can see this is the back side of the joint. I already put the bracket on. Now, if you want to pull those out, you'll see this driver actually re-grabs them. So you can do that pretty quickly and take this joint apart if you want. One thing you'll notice when you're using a magnetic bit is usually that you have to grab that screw and kind of wiggle it out, because when the threads cut when the screw cuts its own threads, the material kind of moves into the inside of the hole. So that's a nice thing with these. And again, just to show it driving, here I'll show as if I was loading a new screw, right? So I'm just going to line it up, push it right in, and then drive this in, and then grab another screw over here. Push that in, screw it in, and the joint is done.